I made it home. Now it's time to go watch my video, edit it, and let you know how it came out. I'll let you know that at the beginning, but at the end, you'll hear my conclusion. Today we're going out, the Insta360 Luna Ultra, vlogging for the day. 75 9/10. I'm going to go get gas. Trying to get this camera to work as a vlogger's camera, but not on the go like an action camera to the car. You'll have messed up and missed shots for sure. So let's go on and continue on to where we need to be at. Homeward bound. Lane up ahead. Zoom, zoom, zoom. There he is. Coming in. Got another plane. Right overhead. There he goes. Ahead, it's a third plane coming on in. I went over the video and I watched it, and I see some of the mistakes I made out there. And it's a lot of user error because you have to get used to a gimbal camera. When I walked into BJ's and I went to get the cinnamon bread, I held it in front of me and the gimbal's head wasn't actually looking straight ahead at the bread. I didn't point it down enough. And then when I did a shot where the school bus was on my left, there was two construction people working, and the camera zoomed in, floated down. It didn't look at the person that I was going at. And the same thing happened with the airplane. I was trying to zoom in, and I don't have these little bars here telling me I'm right there. What I'm zooming at is not picking anything. So it's not easy to do when you don't have auto tracking on. Grab the camera and go, live and learn. And on that note, I'm Fish, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Those are just some of the things that I've seen in my video. On the next vlog, we'll take the camera out and go have some fun. Have a great one, and see you all in the next video.